Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Emily and today I'm going to show you guys 5 different styles that are super easy and super quick that are perfect for work or school.
First up, we have this super cute half up claw clip hairstyle. First, we're going to go ahead and we're going to separate our top section from our bottom section. So we're going to ponytail that top section, and then on that last loop, instead of pulling it all the way through like that, we're going to pull it halfway and create a bun, just like that. Next, you're going to separate that bun in half and rotate it. Then you're going to take a small claw clip and you're going to clip it in the middle of that bun. To make it look a little bit fuller, you're going to just pull those little sections of the bun. It just helps it to look a little bit thicker. I also loosen up that top section of hair as well, just to help that look a little bit thicker and give it a little bit more volume. And that's our first hairstyle. Our second hairstyle is very similar to the first one. It's also a half up claw clip hairstyle. This one's just a bun. The start of this one is very similar to the last one. So we're just going to separate that top section from the bottom. And just like the last one, instead of pulling that hair all the way through on the last loop, we're going to make a bun just like that. Next, you're going to push that bun up, grab a small claw clip, and clip it on that ponytail. And then again, I just like to pull my buns to make them look a little bit fuller and a little bit thicker. And that's our second hairstyle. For our third hairstyle, we're going to be doing a classic low bun. So first, I just always separate the front framing pieces that I'm going to leave out, and then I gather all my hair like I'm going to do a low ponytail, but instead of pulling it through on that last loop, I create a bun just like this. Next, you're going to grab all that extra hair and you're going to twist it. It doesn't really matter which way you twist it. And then you're going to wrap it around the bun, and you're going to find that ponytail at the bottom. I stick my fingers in it and kind of pull it out a little bit more so it makes it easier to push that hair through it. And then I like to kind of go back through and kind of loosen that hair up, make it look a little bit thicker and a little bit fuller. And that's our third hairstyle. For our fourth hairstyle, we're going to be making this messy claw clip bun hairstyle. So again, I always just take out those front framing pieces that I'm going to leave out, and then we're going to do just like we did on the last one. We're going to create a low bun. Next, you're going to take all that extra hair and we're going to kind of loop it up. You kind of like fold it in half, but you don't want to take it up too high, especially if you have shorter hair, because it will all kind of just fall apart and it won't look very good. So next, you'll just claw clip it in between the top of that loop and the bun that we made at the bottom. And then I like mine to look pretty messy, so I just kind of separate those buns, make them look a little thicker, a little fuller. And then I also kind of take out little pieces of hair to stay out. I just like mine to look a little bit messy. And that's our fourth hairstyle. For our fifth hairstyle, we're going to do this low ponytail. So you're going to start by sectioning your hair in threes. I go from right behind my ear and I make a small section, and then right behind the other ear and make another small section. So then you're going to take a small elastic and we're going to ponytail that section in the back. Next, we're going to take another small elastic and we're going to take those two side sections and we're going to ponytail them together. Next, we're going to take our thumb and our index finger, we're going to put it in that top section and we're going to twist it, grab the bottom pony with our index finger and our thumb and pull it through that hole. Then you're going to just gently kind of pull that hair to loosen it up. This will just make it look a little bit more uniform and everything will kind of flow together a little bit better. And that's our last hairstyle.
Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget, if you like the content, please like and subscribe for more videos.